I want to share with you guys how to neutralize a lipstick that is way too light. So if you have a lipstick that looks like this, something that is way too bright or way too light, and maybe a friend gave it to you on your birthday and you end up not liking it because it's way too light and it just washes you out, what you can do is to mix it with a different shade. So I'm going to show you guys how I do it. So this one is from Flormar, and I don't know what shade this is, but this is just a color that I would never wear alone. Okay, so this is the lipstick, and as you can see, it's super light and it's just really not wearable on its own because it just makes my lips look neon and weird. So red is so good for neutralizing a lot of lipstick that is way too light or way too brown. Maybe you have a lipstick that is dull. Go ahead and get your red lipstick and mix it with that. It's just going to make it look more wearable. So I'm going to show you guys how I use it. This is the Creative Color Matte Lip Gloss in the shade 08. So what I do is I just apply a few dots, like 3 dots on my upper and lower lip, like that, and you'll see how this color will transform. Wow, so that is this lipstick and the red one combined, and oh my gosh, this is just such a beautiful color. And honestly, I don't have anything like this color. I love how it turned out, and as you can see, it became super wearable. It's not really a waste because you were able to create this color by just mixing it with a red. Almost all girls have a red lipstick. If you don't, you really need to get a red lipstick because red lipstick is just a staple color for every girl, and it's nice to mix in with other shades. If you want to make this look more ombre, you can actually apply just on the center, like 1 dot here and then 1 dot there, and just mix it on the center. Something like that. And I'm shocked that I was able to create this color because I've been looking for a lipstick that looks like this. I'm very, very happy with the mixture. So yeah, that is my very short beauty tip. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys again next time.